Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new workspace on Asana. Once you're inside Asana, go ahead and hover over your profile on the upper right, then click on it. And from here, you will see new workspace. If you click on that, you can simply go ahead and give your workspace a name that can be a company or whatever team's name. I'm going to call this one, for example, Drew Tutorial. I'm going to call it that. Then you can go ahead and add the members. But so for right now, I will not add any members. But if you have members, you can go ahead and enter their email address and so forth, right? And you want to ensure that you enter those email address separated by commas, as you can see for the example in the field right here, and then go ahead and click on create workspace. And that's going to create a workspace for you. If you don't have anyone that you want to add right now, you can just create it blank without any members, and you can always add those members later. And that's it. I'm going to go ahead and simply click and skip offer for now. But that's basically it, guys. So you create a new workspace on Asana.